Today we're gonna learn how to do good leg holds, and I will show you exercise in order to improve this. Just want to say in advance, I'm not like a ballet or contemporary professional dancer who will show you great extensions above the ceilings. I'm just a ballroom dancer, but I still want to improve those skills, and I think it's good to be able to hold your leg even if you're not dancing ballet, contemporary or folk, and even if you just don't dance at all. Just be able to hold your leg in the air and be strong. That's already cool, right? Let's go. So for our leg hold exercise, lay on the floor on your back, point your toes, make sure that you don't have a gap between the floor and your back. Put your shoulders down, stretch your posture. The first move that we're doing, we're just holding, pick the leg up. Here, make sure that you point your toe and your leg is looking outside, not inside. And try to bring it as high as you can, but still don't pick up your hip. If you feel that your hip is going up, this is wrong. Your hip should stay down and push down. And straighten your knees, don't make sure that it's not half bent. Use your quad, point your toe, and then put it slowly down. So then really leave some space between floor and leg and repeat this exercise. You can decide by yourself how many sets you're gonna do. At least try to do 3 times, and each time 10 leg holds. Okay, the next move, we're going to the passe. Make sure that you touch only with your toe, not with your heel, your leg not going somewhere above on top of the other leg. Then you bring this whole structure without any changes closer to your chest, and then straighten the knee. So your goal is to not move your leg down when you straighten, but try to leave it on the same level or very close, and then put it down. So again, passe, bring leg up and straighten the leg. And of course, don't forget to switch legs. When you finish the sets with the one leg, go to the other one, or you can do one set on the right, then other set on the left, and then you switch. And also make sure that you don't rotate your leg. So the same rules here everywhere. So your leg is looking outside and your hips are on the floor. The next move, we put our leg on a side pass, so our knee is looking to the side. The next, we bring our heel forward, and then we straighten the leg. Make sure that it's not going diagonally, it's going straight forward. And then we put it down again to the side, only toe touch the standing leg. Then we bring the leg forward, then we try to push our heel, not knee. Heel forward, 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 and then down. Try to do also like kind of 3 sets, 10 lifts. The next move, we put leg to the passe, then bring the whole structure to the side up, and here we stretchen the leg and then put it slowly down. And again, passe, leg up, straighten the leg and fully down. The next one, we just bring it up, turn outside, brings to the side and down. Make sure that it's not touching the floor, and also you don't pick up this hip. This hip stays and touch the floor. And the next one, we're going side, then forward and down. One more time. Passe, side, forward and down. And opposite. We start forward, side and down. One more time. Open, forward, side and down. And one more. We go with straight leg up, then move it to the side and down. You can do like that. Here you can do a little bit less sets. And we go to the side, up and down. Okay, and also you can do active battement when you go up and down, up and down, up and down into the side, like that. Okay, next one. We're moving to this side. So don't forget to do everything the same on the left leg. Make sure that your hips is not going backward. And here we're kind of doing the same. I will just like show you quickly. We move like up and down, up and down. Then when we put it to the side, make sure that it's not going like this. You rotate your knee and it's looking to the ceiling. It's looking up, but your hip is not going there. You keep and push your hip forward and you bring it down. Then next you go to the passé, bring the whole structure up, straighten and down. One more time, passé, bring the leg up, straighten and down. Then next, passé, you bring the heel, not the knee. Heel, 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 heel. Then to the side and down, passé, bring the leg up and then down. And we can do the circles. Side, forward, down. Side, forward, down. And I don't forget, did we do this? Forward, side, down, and forward, side. You see the transition? I turn, I rotate my leg outside, and then bring it down. The next one is gonna be for the backward. Make sure that your two hips push into the floor and you have a straight back. Don't go on your elbows. Lean fully on the floor. Then we pick up our leg and we rotate it outside a little bit. Make sure that you don't pick up your hip. You try to bring your leg as high as you can and also rotate a little bit outside without bringing your hip up, so squeeze your glutes down. So repeat that as many as you can, like think how many sets you're gonna do, don't skip like any move. The next one, you're doing passé. Here make sure that only the toe touching the leg. Then you bring the whole structure up, higher, 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 and then you straighten in the leg and put it down. And again, passé, up, straighten it and down. Passé, up, straighten it and down. And right now we move up, side, and here it is very hard to land your leg softly. And again, up, side. Oh, it's hard even to talk here. And then we go side, up, and down. One more time. Side, up, and down. We go passé, backward, side. Oh, it's really hard to talk. And one more. And we go passé, bring the whole structure, but our hips, you see, they're not going backward. They stay forward. Then we straighten in the leg. Then we rotate it to the side. And you can put it here down, or do it forward and close. Or we can go passé, forward, side, backward, and down. So, after that we're going up and try everything but standing. It's going to be a little bit harder because we will require more strength. Open your toes and let's try everything but standing. So point your toe, lift your legs, check that your leg is not rotating inside and that you're not picking up your hip, so your hips are square. And you lift your leg and rotate it outside. You bring it as slow as you can. Make sure that, again, that's not going here. And as high as you can. Point toe, and you put it slowly down and then close. That's the first move, and you can do as many sets as you want. Then you can do active battement. You can put arm on the side, point your toe and don't engage your upper body. The next move, you bring the leg to the side. You point then you put it to the side here. What's important? Your leg is not going this way, it rotates outside, and your hip is not picking up. So you push this hip down, but lift the leg and rotate it more, and then put it slowly down. Then next, we close our feet, we go to the high passe, then bring the whole structure up, straightening the leg, and put it slowly down. After this section, while you repeat it at least like do it 5 times, maybe not 3 sets, but even 1 set, 5 times each move, because when you're standing it's harder. Then you go to the outside passe, bring the leg forward, straighten the leg, and then put it slowly down. Then we go to the side, bring the whole structure up, and here what I will just hold my leg for a while. You need to try to finish the line, to continue the line. So if you brought your knee high, don't straighten it down. Try to extend it on the same level. I know it's going to be hard and your leg will want to go down, but really try to think about this and keep it on the same level. It doesn't matter how hard it is. Then we go backward. Here you can stay like this and put your chair on the side, or you can hold your chair here, but just don't make it tilt forward. First that we're doing, we're pointing a toe and we're bringing our leg up. Make sure that you're not tilting and that you're not turning this hip outside, it's looking forward. Then you push it down and you can repeat this section. The next move you're doing passe, then bring the whole structure to the side, straighten the knee, and then put it down. After all of these sections, we go to the round. Round with straight legs and round through passe. Straight leg, we go forward, then sideways, then backward, and after these sections also we can go backward, sideways. You see, when I put it on the side, I rotate it outside, then forward and down. The next move, you can go through passe. Sometimes people bend the standing leg when they put the leg forward, and then when they go to the side, they straighten in the leg, then they put leg backward, and here you can do backward, then sideways, then forward, and then down. So my muscles literally burning, and it's not easy for me, but it's like, I think it's very cool to able to hold the legs. So after you finish with all of this, you can do also active side butt massage and active backward butt massage. Do this exercise, just decide by yourself how many sets you want to do. I recommend when you're doing sets on the floor, do it like more, and when you're standing, just do each exercise at least 5 times. And I hope you liked my video, and I hope that's gonna be very helpful. And you can leave in the comments and chat and tell me what is your progress, did you try it, what do you think about it, and have a good day. And thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.